Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 8th, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm definitely still very bullish, as you guys probably know. I do think this is going to go up and make a nice five-wave uptrend. I still believe that it is going to go up and take out these highs and most likely end up something like this. I would expect it to possibly even go all the way up to the 161% Fibonacci extension. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, pretty much all year long, we definitely have been going down, as you can see. I am still looking at this as an uptrend, though, like a wave one. I still think this move down is a wave two. I think we're already in a wave three. I think this is a one, a two, an expanding flat wave two. I think we're already in a wave three, which makes this a one of three, a two of three, and I think eventually it's going to go up and make a three of three, and eventually finish the three, four, and five, like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, like I said, we've been going down for pretty much the whole year so far. I still think that this uptrend right here is a wave one. I still think we're in a wave two correction. I'm still not convinced that this right here is the end of a correction. I think we personally have at least one more leg down. And if it does continue to respect the 61.8, go up and break structure, then that's what's going to convince me that that is the end of a wave two. But for now, until I see this picture right here, I definitely am primarily still looking for shorts on sort of time frames. I mean, there's a chance that it could even go all the way down to the 78%. We don't really know that it needs to turn at the 61.8. It could go to the 78.6 before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So definitely still looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on this last push down. We have a nice breaker structure up. So if you are, trading below the 1 hour time frame, then I definitely think you should continue to look for longs. But if you are more of a day slash swing trader, I still am personally waiting for the sorting opportunity. I am definitely waiting to see three waves up, something like this, ABC. I'd like to see a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice bearish engulfing move to the downside to go short for the continuation of this move down, which I still think we're in a wave C of wave two. So taking it down to that 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, I mean, you kind of debatable whether this is actually a trend like just a wave A or whether there's actually three waves in here. I could actually picture this being a one, two, three, four, five, like a wave A. This is a little push down right here, does kind of have a break of structure. That could already be a wave B, and this could already be a wave C. We are right at the 38%, so if we make a lower high, nice impulsive engulfing move to the downside, especially if we get a nice break of structure, I'll definitely take it as a sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, like I said, I definitely wouldn't go short unless I saw this picture right here because there is always a possibility that this goes up to a higher Fibonacci level and turns into a little bit of a bigger correction, which is why I said if you trade like the 1 hour time frame and under, you should probably still be looking for longs at least until you see this picture right here. And once you see that picture, you can stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.